Hello, myself Nikhil. I am from Varad district, Chandrapur. I had completed my graduation from Srimati Kishitrai College of Pharmacy in 2020. I had enrolled myself in Evision Technoserve IT program and placement in the 7th September 2020 for the online job training program. Placement team also conducted telephonic and WebEx interview practice and personal development sessions. Overall, development helps a lot in my placement. Personally, I had a great learning experience in the online learning. My online job internship, the trainers, the materials, the study materials, assignment, projects, and everything in the class apart. It is very good, and it helps me it's helped me a big role for to clear the interview. I'm happy to see that I got selected in a WIPRO synergies with a great salary package of 3 LPA. Special thank you to the supporting team who guide me to accomplish my goal and a path of IT needed. Once again, thank you, Evision Technoserve and their placement team. Thank you very much.